Alright, so today I want to show you guys a keyboard that I got from Wish. Now, when I first saw this keyboard, it was for 50 cents. So, I had to get it to make a review out of it. But its original price is $18. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you guys if this is a good deal or not. And it's called the Crack Luminous 3 Colors Backlighting Gaming Keyboard. Here's a little bit of unboxing, just get the manual. The back of it literally just says plug and you'll be good. Plug into the computer, you'll be good. That's what it literally says. Obviously in a different language though. And a little bit of ASMR for you. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Now, here's the actual keyboard. It's very light, like super light. It's pure plastic. I'm just showing you the box. There's nothing in it, just styrofoam and more bubble wrap. But yeah, here it is. Super plastic. It's all, black except the white. And the white is actually the part where the LED is gonna come out and shoot. And the back, it has like this carbon fiber markup pattern, which is really nice. And these small holes actually means that the keyboard is splash resistant or splash proof. Here at the bottom it just says gamer, and we have this very cheap, very cheap cable. It's not even round. It has like these small little ridges around them. Here's the little, how fat it is, I guess. And then obviously this is not a mechanical. This is actually just membrane, pure membrane with, like I said, it's splash proof. So it's a typical keyboard, but it just has the gaming idea around it. So let's just go ahead and plug this bad boy in and see how the lights go. So here we have a little bit of toxic symbols, and that's pretty much how you change the colors and mode with the FN key, of course. Very nice touch, actually. The LED is so bright, it's really nice. I mean, it's brighter than my Red Dragon's keyboard, and that's an actual mechanical gaming keyboard. So yeah, it looks good. It might be overkill, to be honest. Even on the sides, you see those little small circles. Yeah, it illuminates really well. I enjoy it. I wish there was more colors though. The thing that does not change colors though is the caps lock, numpad, and the screen lock. So on the website it says that it's ergonomical, it's comfortable, and easy operational. Like I said, it's waterproof. That's why you see those little holes. And it's ideal for ideal gaming companion with strong multimedia functions. That is not a lie, actually. It has so many multimedia functions at the top of the keyboard that I didn't know what to do with them. It's really good, actually. And it has like a half of inch of a stand, but also that feels so cheap. Like you could easily break that. I do gotta say that the design of the LED, of the lightning, the cracks, it's amazing. I love it. It gives this keyboard like an extra point of how unique. Well, not unique because there's many keyboards like this, but it does call out for attention. And this is just me using the home button and the music multimedia function, so you can see that it actually works with no problem. Here's a little typing session for you guys so you guys could hear. I mean, it's just a membrane keyboard with some RGB elements to it. Alright, from actually using this keyboard, I don't like this wrist rest. It just gets in the way from me clicking on the spacebar. But I think that's because my actual keyboard doesn't use one. Alright guys, so I want to say two things before I start. I have two cameras. I'll probably show them one on top of the other. One is a shitty webcam and the other one's my actual camera. But I'm going to be playing some closer trucks just to show you guys how this keyboard works. My mic is super close to the keyboard. I cannot really change it as of now, because then I will mess up my cameras. It's a bit finicky. But yeah, I'm just gonna have a keyboard cam so you guys can see how this keyboard sounds, I guess, and also how I'll tell you guys my opinions on it and how I like it or not. Right, so I'm not gonna go to the best level. I'm just gonna pick a random level, so I won't suck, and so you guys can see more of the keyboard. Okay. Oh, I forgot how to play this game. Okay, okay. And I fell. So yeah, I picked this game because the other games I don't really show much movement on the keyboard. But I do gotta say that... Oh wow, I saved it. I didn't even see that. I do gotta say that the spacebar, with this little lift, I can't really touch it. Oh, I saved that. I saved that right there. Let's go. I got that, dubs. Oh no! I had my lights on. No. Come on. Let me go ahead and just main menu Alt F4. There you go. Alright, so overall, I do enjoy this keyboard. Actually, if you have a little brother or like a nephew who wants to get into gaming and wants to have their own nice getting started with their PC rig, then this is definitely a go-to because of the RGB. I mean, who doesn't love RGB, right? The more RGB, the better it is for gaming. Don't quote on me on that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe. Peace.